Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. I know it's been a while since I've posted a recipe video. It's just been a really hectic couple of weeks, so I've been struggling to edit, but I'm back with one. This week I'm posting my chocolate banana muffins slash cupcakes. Sometimes I don't think I know what the difference is, but you know what I mean. Yeah, they're really delicious cupcakes. They're very moist. They're also one of the first few recipes that I tried when I was taking my baking more seriously, and I was like, huh, you can bake. So yeah guys, please check it out. Definitely give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.